of Aguada. It's a beautiful stretch of beach with lots of artisan work on display. And in this little median area in between the two roads, you can also see some nice paintings and even a little Virgin Mary display. Angels. And I am going to attempt to get up there. Let's see how I do.
So we're about to climb on the Mustang to get on the roof.
Galeon, Aguada, buen provecho. Walking along here in Guaniquilla Aguada, you will start to see some of the art that's along the shore that's fringed with palm trees. Lots of mofongo going on over here. TableRock of Aguada, which is I think also in Guaniquilla, there is something really special just around the corner, onto the beach. So here in Aguada, there's something kind of historical. This is considered the Cannon Beach or Playa Cañones of Aguada because of these old remnants from World War II. They would put the cannon in the middle there, and then they could rotate it using these tracks all along the way. and you know, obviously it's not in use now, but these are the remnants. So it's kind of interesting that they're still in existence. There's about 3 of them out here. I think this is 1, 2, and then there's another one that's kind of more broken. On the beach, and we just looked behind it. Right here, there's another abandoned house. It's kind of interesting how many abandoned houses there are. People have been here, but a few horses might be living in here. Interesting. And the boat hall. Skateboard or something. You're squatting back here at their beach house. Look at that view. Got a life jacket. And there's the Cañones. Now we're at the second canyon platform in Aguada, and as you can see, this one is a lot more exposed to the elements, to the sea, but there's 3 that are actually visible here. So it's kind of hard to imagine that this was once the site of a possible war. This is the only remains of this old one. It's kind of like in some apocalyptic movie where this is all that remains. It's now covered almost completely in sand, but you can kind of still see the remnants of it. And then in the distance here, you can see the one that's kind of more exposed to the sea, and the first one that we visited that has the flag on the side.